Hey guys, what's up? Look at what came in the mail today. My Revopoint MINI scanner. So, unfortunately, I've had to work today, but I've got a couple hours tonight to have a play and hopefully set this puppy up and do a few scans. So, this will be an unboxing. I've got a dinner cooking at the moment, so I may need to run off a bit later to grab dinner. But yeah, super excited to give this a try and see how good it works. So that's the turntable. It's a pot table. Turntable. Ooh, not a good start, guys. Nah, that's all good. Should be fairly easy to set up. I've watched a few videos on YouTube and quickly went through the instructions, so it should be all good. USB cable. Okay. Okay. I'm guessing put this together. Careful, don't want to break it. How does this go in? Like that, yes. Don't break it, don't break it, don't break it. There we go. Interesting, the plastic is quite shiny. I would have thought you want to sort of matte that down a little bit. Anyway, I'll really get this last bit, maybe. Instead of doing that, do this. So yeah, I backed this on Kickstarter probably about 2 months ago, and pretty happy that it actually delivered. Now we get to test the unit. Hopefully it lives up to the hype. It's been plenty of demo. They've got a forum actually, so lots of people have been posting their beta testing results on there. Seems pretty good. So we got a bit of a sticky silicone. This thing doesn't feel like it will last long, so you probably need to find an alternative. Like, it's like really soft rubber. I'm just trying to line this up in the center. Make sure this is also in the center. So it'd be nice if they had some little registration marks, but it's not too bad. They do have, yeah, little marks here, I guess. Okay. USB cable. computer's just to the left, so hopefully the cable will reach. Alright, so let's open the main box now. Yeah, exciting. Exciting! So yeah, hopefully tonight I can scan one of my little sculptures, little monster clay sculptures that I've got sitting next to me. See how that goes. I've got both the grey and the brown clay, so we'll see which one works best. And you can spray it as well with a zinc and water mix that supposedly helps with scanning, so I won't do that today. Hopefully it should just scan without any issues. Okay, QC pass. So we've got some tracking dots. I think this may be for calibration. So hopefully they did calibrate it before. USB-C to USB-A adapter. That's good, because I only have one USB-C. Okay, that's the main cable, I think. There's 2 different cables here. I think one of them may be for the phone, so you can connect it to the phone as well. So we got sticky markers here, that's cool. Okay, blue tack. I'm not sure what this is for. Plastic bag? Shiny plastic bag, so they could have gone with a matte one, but yeah, tracking markers. I won't need this today because I'll be scanning on the turntable, but yeah, the markers are for scanning big objects when you're doing it handheld, so that's all good. Got a little demo bust that they recommend you try out with, so this will be the first one that we try. Pretty tiny, that's good. Okay, holder, and here's the actual scanner. Wow, it's tiny. It is really a mini. Yeah, really surprising that something's this small. Will do a good job, but fingers crossed. Okay, and then we've got the stand. Okay. This should just slide in. Yep. Nice and easy. Alrighty, sweet. So, don't need these. I've just downloaded and installed the program as well, so I think you gotta plug it in first before launching it. Now, maybe let's bring up the manual. Have a quick look. Just want to check the connections. Okay, so this one must be for the smartphone. Interesting. Because there's only the one port in the back, so it's either one or the other. Which way am I turning? Okay, it's gone in. Okay, that's in. So it's just a normal USB-C. I think it wants a USB 3, and I'm not sure if my front ports have USB 3. I know my back ports do, so give me a sec. Okay, it's plugged in. And we've got power. So one blue LED. Blue starting. Cool. Now this is a blue light scanner, so it doesn't actually need light, ambient lighting. So the darker it is, the better scan results that it gets. So I may need to turn off my lighting for the video to start the scan, but let's just quickly see. Let's just check this out. It's on. Hey, Spinny, spinny. Okay, so I don't want to pop the scanner while I'm scanning. Let's start the. Oh, hold on. Let's just take a quick look. Okay, so you just need to launch the program. I think the light will need to go off. Oh, that's already gone. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so my screen is actually casting quite strong lighting onto the model, so I'm gonna have to log out and try another screen on my right side. Give me a second.